Just finished some adulting duties. So nagbayad muna ako ng association dues ng pinaparenta kong condo for mga 3 months para wala nang problema. Yun lang naman. Hi. So today I'm on my way. It's 7 p.m. ngayon, Thursday. Kakatapos lang ng grad school class ko. We started around mga 6. So we just had an intro. And yun na nga, cut ko muna. Kasi I had a problem before. I think last week hindi ako naka-enroll. May hindi ako nasunod na procedure. Minsan nagiging tanga talaga. Hindi ko nasunod yung procedure. So akala ko hindi ako enrolled for this term sa grad school. Medyo nadismaya ako kasi ang ganda ng momentum ko, my performance was really good. Pero I guess if para sa iyo, 'di ba? Everything talaga will align. So naging okay naman, na process na yung enrollment ko, and now I'm just waiting for my scholarship processing as well. But anyways, so yun na nga, nag-start na yung grad school classes ko ulit. This term, interesting yung isa kong subject yung teaching diverse learners. So we will talk about differentiated education, how to engage a diverse classroom, and those things. Whew! Ang init, sobra. But I think you can see naman na init na init ako. Pawis sa pawis, kadiri. But kakasakay ko lang naman ng kotse. Yun yung struggle minsan pag nakapark ka nang walang bubong, medyo mainit talaga. So taste na lang, papasingawin mo muna yung init. So I just finished my work today. So half day lang ako sa work today. Just had a class and then some supervision, surveillance sa mga bata on the field. And then I'm going home to rest, prepare for my workshop and work out later. So may run kami later. Nagganyan-ganyan siya sa Japan. Nakakatuwa naman, nakakatiran.
Siya sa Japan.
Hindi, parang laro-laro lang. Parang ganyan din. Gano'n po kalakas BP niya?
Okay, good. Yan yung hila, ma'am. Hold. Aim. 1, 2. Ito lang. Ito lang. Kailangan.
I was really excited to try this for the first time. Kasi feel ko pa yung Katniss Everdeen fantasy ko. Or sige na nga, Robin Hood fantasy ko. Or Green Arrow. Or sino ba si Jeremy Renner. O basta kung sino man siya sa Marvel. Feel ko talaga yan. And it was really fun. Masaya magsuot ng gear, yung feeling na nakalagay sa waist mo, yung bows, tapos yung feeling na tinatansya mo, yung sa arrow, kung paano siya tirahin. At first, it was very challenging. Liz, ano naman masasabi mo? Hindi ka dito. Hindi ka dito.
Bumababa ba? Mataas yung sa akin.
Masaya ka ba?
Hindi ko. sasaya, hindi pa tumatama.
Please, kung mataas yung mababa sa akin ang taas.
Saan? Ayun. Okay.
Ito talaga yung nagtitrain. Siya yung nagtitrain.
Wow.
Gusto ko talaga ito. Okay, kunin na natin.
Wait lang. Yeah. Me too.
Wow.
Yun, kahit pa paano.
You happy?
Siyempre ko.
How old are you? Have to wait for 6 hours.
Yan, dyan. Dito ka dito.
First time.
Nice. So, ala. Watch it.
Di pa may mga always siya ng video. Kapag ano ko yung zipper na sa akin yung season. Hindi na araw sa
Boom! Doon napunta. Oh, 'di ba? Serious, may padila-dila pa, kala mo ang galing. But nag-enjoy talaga ako. I really had fun. I might do this again. Baka idagdag ko to sa list ng mga side, what do you call this? Side quests ko from time to time. Minsan ay archer. But I was really proud of myself. Nagulat ako na parang in fairness, no, for a first timer, oh, kita nyo yan. Mga 3 lang talaga yung na-miss at may bullseye pang isa halos. And dahil napagod sa archery, syempre, kain muna kami Japanese food para ma-channel namin, ma-manifest namin ang aming Japan trip for October. It was really nice here. So that's it. That's my update for the past few days. I've been doing a lot of things. I got back to school. Kakastart ng ulit ng term namin for grad school. So student ako. At the same time, teacher din ako. At the same time, I'm also a workshop attendee. So I'm doing 3 things at the same time for this month. Lalo na for this month, mga May hanggang mid-June. And then after June, balik na naman ang teacher at student cap ko na lang ang matitira. Wala na yung workshop kasi matatapos na yung workshop. So I've been really busy. So I had to make some effort to really enjoy the things that I continuously want to enjoy, like to work out. Kasi part talaga yan, focus ko yan this year. Health goals, to lose at least 5 to 8 kilograms sa overall weight ko. I personally think okay naman yung weight ko ngayon. Pero because of my height, dahil nasa medyo petite ang ating height, kailangan i-match yan para ma-meet natin yung body mass index natin. Pero I'm very happy kasi recently I tested my metabolic age. No, I'm currently 40 years old pero my metabolic age is that of a 25-year-old. Ang malaking factor nun is yung muscle mass na meron ako, meaning I have muscles at the right places in my body, so nasusupport niya yung katawan ko. Hindi ganon kalaki din yung visceral fat, meaning the fats covering yung internal organs natin, no? So I'm happy with that as well. At least indicator yan na nagwo-work naman yung mga bagay na ginagawa natin for our health since, well, many years now. Pero mas nag-focus tayo this year, start ng January. So yun yung number one goal ko. I'm still continuing with it. And then another goal is personal development, professional development. So I went back to studying. I made it a point to really be active and push for professional development or workshops that I can attend, and something that I'm doing right now. So far monitor ko naman yung health and professional aspect ng goals ko. But one of my isa pa sa mga goals ko would be to make sure that I add more time for the people I care for, family, friends, and to do things that I want to do. And one of the things na gusto ko sanang matry last week, actually, impromptu lang naman yun. Nagkayayaan lang kaming mga watchers. Watchers ang tawag ko sa kanila. JC, Adrian, John. These are the friends na madalas ko kasama, talking about like geeky stuff, Marvel movies, kung ano man, anime man yan, or whatever. Sometimes politics. During pandemic, they really helped me become more sane, if I may say, o mas maging grounded nung pandemic. Lagi kami nagchat or whatever. So we built this connection. So nagkausap lang kami na try natin mag-archery. Unfortunately, hindi natuloy kasi maraming tao na nakabook at that time. So impromptu lang din, nagkaayaan kami with Liz and Dom, parang try din kaya natin archery kasi malapit lang kami nakatira sa may MOA, and then hindi kami nag-reserve or everything or anything, and then we said if meron available, that's for us, and fortunately meron nga. So my main reflection for these past few days, in terms of my goals at sa mga naranasan ko, is really to make time for the things that you enjoy, or make time in general. Kasi marami kang bang ginagawa. I mean, siguro sa ibang mga tao, simple lang yung ginagawa ko. Teacher, estudyante, yung iba mas marami pang pinagsasabay-sabay na trabaho, 'di ba? Mas marami pang ginagawang responsibilidad. Let's say we have single moms na nagwo-work na, nag-aalaga pa ng family, nagtuturo pa ng kanilang mga anak, and stuff like that. So, medyo mahirap talaga, but the fact na nagagawa nila yun, no, it means they really make time for the things that they value. And same with personally with me sa reflection ko for this week, na kung gusto mo talaga isang bagay, you have to make time for it. Medyo nasistress ako sa mga workshop schedules, workshop outputs, kasi ang trabaho ng workshop, pero gusto kong matuto talaga so pinupush ko talaga without naman sacrificing yung health ko. Yung pag-antok na talaga ako, matutulog ako. Hindi ko masyadong kinakram kasi mas stress lang ako. So kunyari 1 week yung task, gagawa ako ng work every day, pero panaka-naka, hindi yung 1 week pa naman sa ako nagagawin. So, you really have to make time for the things that you value. And yun nga, kung may gusto ka ma-experience na bagong bagay, you have to make time. Kung hindi available naman yung mga tao na gusto mong kasama, okay lang din. Kung may iba ka mayayaya, or kung wala talaga, if you really want to do it, then you can do it on your own. 'Di ba? Parang hindi naman kailangan ikahiya or mahiya pag mag-isa ka lang. So that's, I think, one of the major things I learned this week, and something I want to share with you, is really to find time for the things you want, to experience, for the things you enjoy. And I think everything will be aligned if you do that. That's it. And see you next time.